Sheet decorations are drawing objects that do not contribute to the meaning of the sheet as interpreted by software, but help the human reader to understand the drawing. One of the drawing objects for sheet decoration is the line. A decoration line differs from a wire in a few ways. Drawing a wire enforces orthogonal lines. Drawing a decoration line allows any angle. In the data model, the line object used for a wire is within a wirenet group. This is how sch-rnd figures it's a wire that should make connections. In contrast, decoration lines are just top-level objects directly at the first level under the sheet. Another difference is that drawing wires will also make connections and junctions. Junctions are marked with bold dots. Drawing decoration lines will never make junctions. Both wire lines and decoration lines allow their endpoint to be grabbed and moved. No selection needed. Both allow resulting lines to be any direction. This is the easiest method for making non-orthogonal wire lines. Both wire lines and decoration lines can be moved using drag and drop in a middle point of the line without selection. Double-clicking a wire line will select the whole wirenet group. Drag and drop on a selected object will move all selected objects at once. Double-clicking on a decoration line won't have any side effect. Drag and drop with both selected and unselected decoration lines works the same as with wires. If some decoration objects need to be emphasized, it is easy to change their stroke pen using the hotkey ES while the cursor is over the object. No selection needed. Changing the pen used by the line object changes the colour and thickness of the line. Another typical decoration object is the polygon, most commonly drawn as a rectangle. It behaves the same as a line mostly. It reacts on clicks and hover only on the outline, even if it is drawn filled. Changing the stroke pen will change the outline in render. The property editor reveals that a polygon object has a second pen attribute, called fill. This is used to determine fill colour. The third common decoration object is text, used for annotations and comments. A text object has a stroke pen too, which determines the font height, and colour. By default, after initially drawing the text object, the stroke pen is set to sheet decor, just like with the line tool and the rectangle tool. This can be changed from the property editor or using the hotkey ES. Text objects ignore the size of the pen. It uses the font height property to determine font size. Drawing a new text object will again use the default sheet decor pen for its stroke.